All right, today is Friday, December 8th, and apologize for my voice, but it's still scratchy from my time in the hospital, but that's another issue. I want to just go over my positions today. I usually like to either close out my positions or let them expire worthless or get assigned the stock, but it was interesting because yesterday this AI put at $27 was in the money. And today it's just spiked up. So you can see it was trading at 25 or so, 26, in that range. And it spiked up today. So it's out of the money, which is good. I would have been okay having this assigned. I would have tried to maybe roll it, but I was okay having it assigned because I think it's a good stock and it's going to probably come back. I made the mistake of the rookie mistake of selling this covered calls or selling this cash secured put during the earnings season, and earnings came out less than expected, so the price dropped and put this one in the money. So I'm going to go back here and decide what to do. I've got two positions on AI. This one I purchased, or I sold on 12.4. I made $65 for this, or 65 cents per share. I could buy this back at 603. I could let the theta run out a little bit, but I don't know. I could let this expire worthless, which will likely happen today, and then get my collateral back, which is about $2,700. But I don't want to wait till Monday to have to reallocate those funds. I'd probably rather just, since this has gone back up, I'm probably just going to roll this position. So I'm going to click on roll, see what we get. I'm going to probably put this out a couple weeks. And if I go for the same strike price, I can get $1.08 per share. So the delta is pretty high. I usually like to have my deltas between 20 and 30, but I don't mind owning the stock, like I said, because I think it's a good stock and it's just going to hold its value and go up. And if I get assigned, I can sell covered calls on it because the premiums are pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and this will cost me $6 to close out this position, and then I'll get $1.09 per share back. So that's a total credit of $103 for this position. And I'm going to go ahead and roll this. So let me just double check. Same strike price, 27, and going 2 weeks out, and I'm going to collect 103, right around $103. All right, so let's look at this other one. I had another one that I purchased this one, I sold this one on 11/24. I got a credit of $58 for this, and the strike price is way down, 24, and it's trading at 27.61 right now. So I can do the same thing. I think I would like to roll this one too and collect some premium and just keep it going. So I'm going to roll this. I'm going to go just a week out, so 7 days. And I prefer to kind of trade weekly, close things out on Friday, and then have a week to go. Sometimes I go 2 weeks like I just did. Sometimes I go a month, but I'm going to roll this up. So from 24, let's go to 27 again. Again, the delta is pretty high, but I don't mind owning this because let's see, if I did want to sell covered calls against this, if I sell a call, let's say for 2 weeks out, and I wanted to go at the same strike price, I can get a pretty good premium for that. So this is a pretty good stock. The premium is pretty high, and I think the value of this, the AI market, is pretty good right now, and this stock will do well based on what I've researched. So but we'll see. So I'm going to go back to this position, the 24 put, expiring today. I'm going to roll this. The delta is all the way down. It's only going to cost me $1 to buy it back. So I'm going to roll this just for a week, and we'll go at the $27 strike price and collect 70 cents per share, or $70. Good to go. looking at my other positions, I got this CRISPR put. It's well within the boundaries. It's going to expire worthless, so I'll just let that happen and probably just get my collateral back because it's a pretty good amount of collateral. $70 per share or $7,000. I'd like to get that and maybe redeploy it. But I don't know. Let me look at rolling this. If I roll this out for a week and put the same strike price 64, I'd actually collect $1.23 per share. I think I might just roll this for a week, collect $1.23. The delta is well within my guidelines of between 20 and 30. So that's pretty good. I'm actually going to probably just roll this as well. It's going to cost me $1 to buy it back. And the new position will give me a credit of 85 cents. 85 cents. So my credit will be 84 cents per share, or $84. Nice there how it just jumped down from $1.23 to 85, but it's still pretty good. I'm still going to roll this and call it good. So then if I enter these on my tracking spreadsheet, I'm going to mark this one as rolled. I rolled this one out to 12/15. I go back to November and mark those as the ones that I had in November that I rolled today, mark those as rolled too. So I want to put these down. The date is 12/8. I rolled these out, AI, another AI, and then a CRISPR. I collected $71 premium, 111 and 85. These cost me $1 to roll them out, $6 and $1 here. So the premium collected was 70, 105, and 84. So the total here is so far this month. It's only the 8th of December, $443. And this is on like a $29,000 account. And it's actually, a lot less than that because I've got 100 shares of O, which is, I got $5,000 of that invested in here. I've got some other shares of stuff. So, $15,000 worth roughly of money to play with, and I've made $443 so far. And just kind of getting started. I'm sure I make mistakes. I've made mistakes in the past, and it's cost me money. So I am learning as I go. But if I scale this up, if I had $300,000 to work with, this total monthly could be quite a bit of income. So I'm just kind of learning the ropes. I'm going to spend about maybe 6 months or a year doing this on a small account, and then scale this up and have that be my full-time income. And it's a fun way to spend your time. I could spend a couple hours a day watching this, and mostly just a couple hours on Fridays really, and just watch things go, and then have that be my income, have the rest of the day free. So that's it for this video. I hope this helps. If you learned something, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. I don't really have much of an agenda here. I'm just going to post what I'm doing. I'm not advising you to do anything. I'm just showing you what I'm doing for my account. So I'm not a financial advisor. That being said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.